Hello and a good day again. Welcome to all of you to our video channel regarding eye and its problems. I am Dr. Sirish Nelivigi, Director, Nelivigi Eye Hospital, Bellandur, Bangalore. We have discussed in our previous videos about the diagnosis of cataract and what cataract is and the types of cataract. Today, I am going to talk to you about what is the treatment of cataract. In simple, the treatment of cataract is only surgery and surgery only and no other option available as of now. Lot of experiments have been tried in trying to medically reduce the cataract by way of eye drops and tablets. These have not been successful as of today. Therefore, as of now, the only established method of treating cataract remains to be surgery. As far as surgery is concerned, there are various modalities in which we can operate, various methods and various approaches. I'll talk to you very briefly about what are the different kind of approaches that can be done to treat cataract. One of the oldest methods of cataract surgery was called as extracapsular cataract extraction, or ECCE. So what was done in ECCE is, if this is the cataract being the opacity of the lens, the cataract has to be removed from here. So a large incision would have been made on the surface of the eye in this zone, and then we would express this cataract out of the eye like this. Many a times initially we used to put a lens, and sometimes not even that. The cataract surgery has come a long way since then. The next method of establishment which came in cataract surgery was something called as small incision cataract surgery. In small incision cataract surgery, the size of the incision, which was roughly about 10 millimeters or so, came down to about 5 millimeter to 6 millimeters. So with small incision cataract surgery, we make an incision on the top of the eye here without having to put any sutures. It will be a self-sealing wound. The cataract is removed and a lens is inserted, and then the wound is closed just by hydrating the wound. There is no suture or stitches which are placed on the incision. The recent advance, or the next advance which came in, is called as phacoemulsification. The advent of phacoemulsification has caused a huge change in the way we are treating cataract surgeries. This has made us possible to send the patient back home the same day without having to admit like how we used to the patient before. The incision size, which was about 5 to 6 millimeter with small incision cataract surgery, now has become only 2 to 2.5 millimeters. What do we do in phacoemulsification? In phacoemulsification, we take a very tiny probe of about 2 millimeters inside the eye. This probe emits ultrasonic waves. The ultrasonic waves emulsify the cataract. Emulsify is to make it into liquid. Using the ultrasonic waves or the sound waves which are beyond the range of our hearing, we can emulsify the cataract. The whole of the cataract can be made into liquid, and this liquid like stuff is sucked out of the eye. This becomes a very simple process, and with the incision as small as 2.5 mm, as I told you, we obviously don't need to put a suture to the wound. Not only that, nor do we need to put any bandage to the eye, and also on top of it, we do not need to give any injections to the eye. This is called as topical anesthesia. The anesthesia initially used to be given in the form of injections over here and here, which used to be quite painful and sometimes used to have some side effects. Now in topical anesthesia, we just need to anesthetize the surface by using eye drops. These eye drops, when they anesthetize the surface, we go in, make the tiny 2 millimeter opening, go in, emulsify the cataract, remove it out, clean up the interior of the eye, and then in its place we place a intraocular lens in the same position where the original cataract was. This becomes a day-care surgery. The patient is sent back home within a matter of couple of hours or so, and then he's back to his work very fast. Most of the patients should be back to their regular routine on the same day or a day or two later. This makes their life much more easier. The amount of medications required post-operatively as well reduces dramatically. So this no stitch, no injection operation, takes just about 5 to 8 minutes, is done very rapidly and is very painful, or rather it's painless surgery. This has created a revolution in the outcome of the patient, outcome of the eye, visual outcome for the patient all over the world. Because of this, we are able to tackle the cataract even when it starts to cause the initial symptoms itself. Thank you for listening to our video about the treatment options for cataract surgery, and I hope we will be coming back to you with more information about other aspects of eye and its disorders. Thank you very much.